Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get free fall cosmetics in Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I got the fall cosmetic crate. I'm gonna pick it up. Okay, and then I'm going to open it guys. Let me go to my gear items, and then I'm going to open it. Okay, let's see what I get from this crate. Oh, I got haystack. And if you want to get this free cosmetic, just stay in your garden for few minutes, and then you'll see the free cosmetic spawn, and then you just need to pick it up, and you can open up your build menu to place the cosmetic in your garden, just like this. So yeah, just stay in your garden and you'll get the free cosmetic. Okay, let me place it here. Oh my god, that's so big. Okay. Oh, and then this one I got the cobblestone crate. I'm gonna pick it up. All right, and then I'm going to open it. Oh, that's so fun. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim free cosmetics and grow a garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!